Hello there and welcome back to the DBMS video series. In this video we are going to discuss about the question set 45. So it's the continuation of the last previous video. So the first question is, will all the teachers in the school teach one subject or several subjects? So here we have to create a foreign key according to the table that is shown. So that is only for the grade 9 students which we only entered. So within our CMD file, first we type in our password to enter our MySQL command line, and then we type in our DDL command. So I have already typed my DDL command in the SQL. So I created a table. If it doesn't exist, so I'm creating a teacher has subject table, and then I'm going to give the subject ID as not null and teacher ID int as not null, and I'm going to give a foreign key which is the subject ID, and I'm going to join it with the subject table subject ID column. So that's the references we're making foreign key, and then I'm going to foreign key teacher ID. So I'm going to make it foreign with the teacher table teacher ID column, and now let's press enter to look at the output. And successfully it has been written to our database. So now let's have a look at our HDSQL whether it has come. So yes, we can see that we have the teacher table and the teacher has student, and the teacher has subject table has also been created. For the second question, we have to we have to add a column name ID to the table called teacher has subject, and it should be a primary key, and it should also have auto increment. So we have to name the DDL query. So I have already written a DDL query, that is alter table DBMS school DB teacher has subject, and we are going to add ID int not null auto increment primary key. It's very easy to update a table as well. So let's enter this command to see our output. So we have successfully altered the table. So this is the teacher has subject table, and you can see that the ID column has been created as a primary key. Let's go to the third question. It is compulsory for students in grade 9 of school to learn all the major subjects. So we have to create some foreign keys between the subject ID and the subject table, student ID with the student table. So let me write in a pretty straightforward and easy DDL query. So in this query you can see that I'm creating a database if it does not exist. So student has subject, and the subject ID is an int character with not null value. The student ID is also an int character and not null value. And now I'm going to give the subject ID a foreign key that is from the subject table subject ID column, and then I'm going to give the student ID a foreign key that is from the student table and the student ID column. Let us enter this and see the result, and you can see that it has successfully appeared in our database. So now let's go to the fourth question. So we need to add a column named ID in the table called student as subject. Alright, so let's create that ID. So let's head back to our CMD, and I'm going to type in the command alter table, and I'm going to select the student as subject table, and then I'm going to add ID, and I'm going to give the necessary values, the int not null auto increment and primary key. So we have successfully entered it into our database, and you can see that we have received the ID column as well. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.